friends, thank you for coming back to step number 2. And we're going to finish the painting up with some clouds. Now in step 1, we just finished up with the sun. But what I want you to do, because I know it's dry now, I want you to come in with a small flat. And I want you to come in, there you go. And I want you to make a nice round, there you go. Nice round circle, and we're going to pull that out. And you're going to try your brush, same brush, and there you go, friends. Pull that right out. You're smoothing out the edges, and look how much brighter you made that. Oh, it's so much brighter. So much brighter. And then another little dab if you want. And just keep it round. Right there. Okay, what we're going to do, let's get, it's a filbert brush. Okay, get that ready to go. And here we go. All we're going to need is some white. Okay, now watch this. You're going to come in, you're going to do some dabbing. That's right, friends. Okay? Now you're going to dab. However, you're going to take the same brush, and what you're going to do, you're going to tap out, there, the bottom, see? You're smoothing it out. But you want to keep the darker white on top because that's what makes it pop. Okay? And keep wiping your brush, friends. Okay, keep wiping your brush. Okay. Here we go. Let's go. And dab out more. You can go higher, lower, whatever you want to do. And now come in and try the same brush off. And I want you to blend that. Okay? I'm going to blend that like that. Okay, softens it up. You blend in the bottom. Okay? Now we're going to come up around here. That looks beautiful. We'll have the sunlight there in the middle. We're going to wipe off. Okay, we're going to wipe off your brush. You're going to smooth that out. Okay. That we're going to touch up in a minute. Now you're going to come in with thick. You're going to leave it thick on top. See? Thick on top, thick on top, okay? Thick on top. You're giving it a nice thick texture. And then again, dry your brush, or dab your brush off rather, okay? And pull out some of that paint on the bottom. Oh boy, it looks so beautiful. Now, we'll rinse that brush off. Okay, we'll rinse that off. Okay, there you go. We're going to come in like this. Now, you can see the blue through here, which is what you want to see. Okay. Right. So on the bottom, it'll be lighter, right? Get some of that blue. And then the top, you have all the thickness of your clouds. And that's what you want. So you're gonna dab that out, and you're gonna use the same brush, and you're gonna go underneath. But keep the thicker white on top, okay? Oh yeah, softens that up so lovely. Now what we're going to do, I want to touch that one piece up as I see it right there. Okay, let me go back over with my blue. And once in a while this will happen, it's no big deal. You just get your angular brush and you just go over what you just did. Perfect. Oh, I just love it. And remember, friends, you can just go as many thick clouds you want. So you're dabbing. Look at that texture. And the thicker the better right there. And then again, you'll wipe off that same brush that you're using. And then you're gonna dab that and you're gonna wipe it off. That's it. You're taking that. It's leaving a very light. Yes, it is. Leaving a very light white cloud. You can see the blue, which is really cool. Oh, it's beautiful. And what I might want to do, watch, friends. Yep. I think I'm going to come in. There you go. And I'm going to leave that because that's on the top. And we have the lighter on the bottom. That's absolutely beautiful. Same brush. There you go. Make a little round. And that just makes this one to pop more. I'm going to pull that through a little bit. It's just brighten that whole area up. My goodness. It's really beautiful. I love it, I love it, I love it. And I'm sure yours is gorgeous too. And remember, friends, if you want to go darker, it's fine. If you want to do more clouds up in the corner, it's fine. But I just want to show you something real quick. I got the idea, friends, off of one of my pillows. Isn't that cool? So what I might do later, which is funny, I just might come in later, or maybe with this one, and I'll just make some palm leaves. And it'll look like a matching set. Thank you again, friends. And I will see you. Hopefully you'll join me on my next video. Thank you and enjoy your picture. And I'm sure your picture is beautiful. Thank you, friends. Bye-bye.